Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Microsoft Partner Innovation Vodcast. I'm your host, Jennifer Zarate. And joining me as my co-host today, we have Jason Rook, Director of Marketplace and ISV Journey, to dive into Microsoft Commercial Marketplace and the opportunity for both ISVs and partners to work together to jointly expand their businesses. Along with Duncan Robinson, Vice President of Global Growth Partnerships at Ingram Micro, and Jeannie Kroll, Senior Director of Public Cloud at Veeam, to put it all into perspective for us today. Thank you all for joining us today. Excited for the conversation.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jennifer. Great to be with you all today.
Thanks for having me.
Excited to have you all on. So, Jason, this very first question is for you to kick us off. What is the services opportunity for partners within Microsoft Commercial Marketplace?
We should think about just the magnitude and the velocity of cloud marketplaces. Software publishers, or ISVs, as we'll probably refer to them today, are adopting marketplace at this incredible pace. And when we look at what analysts tell us, they say this marketplace opportunity will grow to be $50 billion by the year 2025. And this is really happening because cloud marketplaces provide ISVs with this ability to target larger markets, expand into channels, and significantly lower their cost of goods sold. On the other side, customers are pulling ISVs toward marketplaces because they want the benefits of modern procurement. They want digital experiences, they want governance, they want security, and they want flexibility in purchasing. And if you think about who's historically always been in the middle of software purchases with customers, it's been partners, right? They help design, select, and implement and support software products for customers. And with Marketplace, what we see is partners of all types, systems integrators, GSIs, managed service providers, VARs, telcos, and especially distributors and resellers participating in that same monumental growth that we're seeing across all of cloud marketplaces.
And so, for our partners joining us today, Duncan, what has your experience been like, working with cloud marketplaces?
We invested early and heavily in this space. And over a decade ago now, we launched our own Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace for our cloud distribution business and to really enable our partners to automate and scale their cloud businesses, such as with Microsoft CSP, for example. The next step in our journey was last year when we launched our Xvantage platform that really provides a single pane of glass experience for all of our device, software, and hardware business to our partners across the globe. As Jason mentioned, for us, we can expand the portfolio rapidly, and we believe that ourselves and our partners have a critical role to play here in ensuring that the customer gets the desired outcome and return on investment on the solutions that they're investing in. As we're deeply integrated with Microsoft, we can also help partners to manage all of their CSP business and Microsoft Marketplace business through our Xvantage platform, all in one place.
Thank you for that, Duncan. And for those of you tuning in who might not be familiar with CSPs are cloud solution providers, right? A part of our CSP program here at Microsoft. And so, Duncan, to further build on that discussion, if you could talk about the value that you're finding partnering with ISVs like Veeam to expand and grow within Microsoft Commercial Marketplace.
We've been working together for many years. They're a great partner of ours. And I think it's a great example of how we're working together, leveraging the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace to really expand our business and expand our reach. Recently, we had a partner in the MEA region who really wanted a solution that was cost effective and matched their needs for backup and retention across both Azure and Microsoft 365. We worked really closely with Veeam to create a custom marketplace offer, also known as a CSP private offer for the reseller. I'm pleased to say the reseller won the deal with the customer and is now replicating this sales motion across all of their Microsoft 365 customers. That's really the beauty of the scale that we can achieve working with companies like Veeam and leveraging the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace together.
So Jeannie, if you can walk us through, your perspective through an ISV lens, what has your experience been like working with cloud marketplaces?
So it is another route to market to help our customers and our partners procure and modernize procurement motions in the ways that they're looking to drive their business forward. And now with the ability to work with longstanding partners like Ingram Micro, it just further extends that reach out to our ecosystem. So I think it is really the way of the future, and a way that so many customers and partners are looking to go to drive business.
I love the consistent theme here on reach and scale, as you touched on. How does Veeam view the relationship with partners like Ingram Micro in the marketplace motion?
So it's just one more extension of service offerings that Ingram Micro is able to take to market, right? So our customers and partners want to be able to work with the partnerships that they have in place while they're thinking about how they modernize procurement, where they're going on their cloud journey. So the ability to work with commercial marketplace through Ingram Micro just really puts a wrap around that entire picture.
So Jeannie, what's one piece of advice that you would give to partners that would like to sell Veeam software through the marketplace?
We look at commercial marketplace from Veeam's perspective, it's really about how we help customers along a cloud journey. So when you look at your customers, where are they? Are they just getting started today with the cloud? Maybe they're using SaaS products like M365, and so that's their primary entrance into the cloud. How can they think about de-risking that business, ensuring that they have a recoverability solution in place for that, possibly leveraging Azure at the same time? So an easy way to do that is to try to grow your Azure consumption by getting customers to start tiering backups to Azure. A great way to make additional money from a Veeam revenue stream, additional ways to raise your Azure consumption. Or you may have customers that are further along in their cloud journey. Perhaps they have a hybrid cloud environment. And how do you wrap solutions around those environments to make sure that you're guaranteeing recoverability in case of ransomware attacks and other threats to their environments that they may be occurring today, all while also driving Azure consumption and with the ability to do those transactions through commercial marketplace.
Duncan, what would be one piece of advice that you would give to an ISV who wants to look to Ingram Micro to resell their product and tap into all of the Ingram Micro resellers?
Definitely for the ISVs, respectfully, don't focus on creating the listing alone. That's really just the first step in the journey. So really make sure you think about things like demand generation, pre-sales, enablement. They're all critical, as they are in traditional channels, to making this Microsoft commercial marketplace motion a success.
Now, Jason, we've covered a lot of great insights here, having both, right, Duncan and Jeannie joining us for today's call. But to close this out, what would you add for services partners interested in tapping into the marketplace opportunity? What should they be doing next?
For those partners that really are looking to marketplace for applications they can go resell and deliver to their customers to provide more value, think about how they align to your business strategy. Do you have a product that you've just been selling a lot of and you're looking for a faster and less expensive way to sell it? Marketplace might be a good opportunity. Are you thinking about how you expand the portfolio offerings that you deliver to your customers or to resellers, depending upon what type of a partner you are? Marketplace gives you the ability to expand that portfolio. We heard that from Duncan today and Ingram Micro. Also, if you're thinking about just how do you expand wallet share with customer, right? Think about if you sell a lot of M365, there are a number of applications in the marketplace that bolt on to M365. They enhance the experience for the customer. They help you get a more sticky customer relationship, right? You can sell Teams apps and M365 apps. So just a lot of different ways to use Marketplace to align to the business that you're trying to build and grow.
Excellent. Well, there you have it, folks. A lot of opportunity for every partner type out there to really jump in on. Thank you all so much for your time today. Really do appreciate it.
Thanks, Jennifer.
Thanks, Jennifer.
Thanks, Jennifer.
And that's a wrap on another episode of the MPI Vodcast. Thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Zarate.